what I'm going to do, and we're going to go through an adrenal restoration, and I'll be working with a number of my protocols. And so, firstly, let's just get nice and comfortable. And it's typical in any type of meditation is taking in a deep breath and relax. So I do want you to just arrive exactly as you are. There's nothing to fix, nothing to achieve in this space right now. So this is a nervous system safe environment, and your body is free to receive only what feels supportive and in aligned. We want a very gentle recalibration, just for a safe adrenal restoration. Let's do another, take in another deep breath and release. Now, as you're relaxing, I want you to bring awareness to the back of your body, just above the kidneys where the adrenal glands rest. You don't have to visualize it clearly, but just simply acknowledge this area. So the adrenal glands, they do respond to perceived threat and perceived safety. So this transmission offers the signal of safety. So silently we're allowed, you can say, my body is allowed to regulate now. My body is allowed to regulate now. Just strengthening your body to relax and to regulate now. I'm now going to be speaking light language, and this is a frequency-based communication. It bypasses the mind and it speaks directly to the body's intelligence. So you don't need to understand it. You simply receive. Downloading light language now. This is being guided. Just allowing this light language to disrupt, scramble, deactivate fight or flight energy pattern of all cells, tissues, organs, glands, DNA, genetic makeup, energy body. Strengthen and signal and downloading safety to the adrenal tissue, strengthening and calming the cortisol loops. Shalakia bakoishela senai, Vashalakianai, Shasaya teapaka, Lashia sea, Shana lakaya sukwe, Shisake, Bakoi la kasa, Nekana, Yet Moshe, Lekiatai, Shola kasa, Sikai, recalibrating. Calming and strengthening, allowing this integration, allowing the body to integrate. Now, shisikia bakoya, lashakakia na shisekoya, pakoya lata, siyasana, la shea tatakayakoya. So you may notice some warmth, softness, and just allow your breath to remain natural, just breathing in and out naturally. So this next phase, we want to support and balance for optimal adrenal functioning, restoring communication between the adrenals, the nervous system, and the brain. The adrenals, the nervous system, and the brain. Just downloading this now, downloading now. Just going to communicate, strong communication. And as we do that, let's normalize the adrenal rhythms. Let's release any stored urgency. Anywhere that there's this urgency, let's just release that now. Sha shea lakia manana shea laka. Vosheko kia sha ta tai. Lakia nanaya voka asheta. Seya keseya kokoi. Sha laki kokoya. Sha pakian na 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 ya he. Shiko ye it laka. Suko ya takia na. Let's just restore the vitality in the adrenals, the left and right, the nervous system and brain, having them all communicating now. Communicating now, like they're talking to one another, complete communication. So we're asking Creator and working with everyone here today, knowing that their bodies know how to regulate. We just want to strengthen everyone and communicating with those trillions of cells of naturally knowing how to regulate. Where the adrenal glands are feeling this safe. They're not feeling this pressure, but 100% feeling safe, knowing that they're safe. And we want to download that life force energy to the left adrenal, right adrenal now. Just bringing in like this sustainable energy, strengthening now, sustainable energy in the left adrenal, right adrenal, and within the adrenal field. So if you do not have adrenals, it's in your adrenal field. And just sending love to those adrenals. The adrenal fields. They're safe. They're safe. They're safe. Just knowing they're safe. And within your mind, you might go, maybe there's a timeline where my adrenals are feeling very, very safe. I think I need to go to that. And with just intention, well, I'm going to go to that timeline where my adrenal glands are feeling safe. And just know you have the power to do that. We all have the power to do that. Go, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to quantum jump to that timeline where my adrenal glands are, restored. They're communicating with the nervous system, communicating with the brain. Everything is nice, calm. Everything is restored. So let's go ahead and now we want to seal in that recalibration. Let's seal it in, downloading these changes, these new frequencies in the physical body. Let's download that now. Downloading. She, Lakia, where it's solidifying. She, si, kia, na. Take a deep breath. Relax. So what we just did here now, this is going to integrate for the next few hours, maybe days, just naturally and gently. And as mentioned prior, even if you don't know is true, just think that there may be several different timelines and just go, you know what? I want to go to that timeline where my adrenal glands are happy and calm. And just with intention, just I'm going to step into that timeline and just feel where this restoration is in this timeline, merge with that timeline. And you can come back to this at any time.